Hey, this is Tim. Hey, we got a 2018 Santa Fe Sport, and it's got a wheel sensor problem. It's 2018. All right, well, I pulled it up the scanner, and we got a 1211, which is the right wheel speed sensor. And I'll show you that in a minute. I went and read my data. And on the right rear, it was showing absolutely zero. Even when I drove it, it was zero. 31,000 miles on it. So of course it's got the traction light and all that stuff on, and the ABS light on. But it ain't like the front ones. This is integrated into with the bearing. So I will have to. I ordered one, and I checked to see power, of course, and everything going to it. I already did that, but it is integrated in with the wheel bearing. So I'll be pulling the wheel bearing off, and I'll show you that. They're replacing the wheel bearing, which will have the sensor in it. Okay, the first thing you want to do is take the caliper off. It's your 14 millimeter. Then we're going to take the caliper bracket off right here, and then we're going to go down here and take the 4 bolts out of the bearing. Of course, take your rotor off. So I'll show you all that here just a second. Well, it looks like one of these caliper bolts will be up underneath this sway bar. So we'll see how that's going to work out here in a second. Alright, it's a 3/4 or a 19, whichever one you have handy. Take this off with it, hold the other side with the wrench, of course. Alright, once you get it off, take that bolt out and blow it. It's a 14. Oh, all right. Get your 14, go around, take the bearing out. Try to put your bolt back in the bottom. What I do, kind of hold everything together. You don't want all this stuff falling apart, because then you got to fight with it, get it all back on. You want that headache. Just put them all back in there. Kind of push it. Oh, well, that's emergency brake. Clean them up if you need to. But this is the bearing and this is the sensor. The sensor's made on it. So, yeah, you got to replace the whole thing. So, I'm gonna wait till the parts get here. I'll clean this up. And we'll put the new one on. Alright, I got the new one delivered. It is a DL51326. DL51326. Like I said, it comes with a sensor on the back. It'll be something like this. Get you a couple started. That, and then line it up. Now you're going to want to put on your caliper plate here, and when you do that, we'll have to move this back in just a second. Oh. Okay, you're gonna want to take your jack, kind of go up under here, up under where the spring is in the shop, kind of just bump it up where you get it kind of even. Taking like a screwdriver or pry bar. Try to get as close as you can to it. Really no easy way to do it. I'll be lying to you if I told you it's easy. You just have to get lucky. Put it in there. Put your pads back in. You don't have to depress the caliper. Let it make life easy for you. Might as well. Let's take this one back out for a second. All you gotta do is depress it just a little bit. You didn't put no new brakes on it, but sometimes they want to be stubborn and don't want to go on. There you go, just push it in a little bit, no big deal. That way you know you ain't gotta fight nothing. Don't forget to pump the brakes though. Alright, I'm gonna put the wheel back on and we'll check it out on the scanner and see if it's working. Okay, now the right rear. We're showing how fast we're going. Imagine that. Alright, I'm gonna cut off all these lights too. So, you had that wheel sensor, right rear or left rear. That's how you do it. Look at the turkey. Happy Thanksgiving. 31,000 miles. Sensor already bad. Alright, another one done at Tim's Auto. Remember, if you ain't testing, you're guessing. Yeah, come on. Thanks for watching.